So guys, in this video we will know that how to fix network related problem on your Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So guys, in this video we will fix step by step this problem. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 11. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first method is click here taskbar and after that click here task manager option. Now select here new task, run new task and type here ncpal.cpl and check this checkbox and click here OK button. Okay. So guys, select here your network adapter here. Right click on it, this network adapter and click here properties. After that guys, select this internet protocol version and click here properties. If there are any IP, select this checkbox automatically and click here OK and close. Now we are going for next method. Close this window. Now guys, click here start button and click here file explorer. Now click here this PC and right click on it and click here show more option. Click here manage. Click here device manager option and find here network adapter. Okay, and expand it. Now select your network adapter, right click on it, this network adapter, click here properties and after that guys select here power management option. If this checkbox is unchecked, check it. Okay, check this all checkbox and click here OK. After that guys, right click on it again and click here update driver. Now select second option. There are two options. Browse my computer for driver. Select this checkbox. Let me pick. Click here and select here family controller and update it. It will automatically update. After that guys, you can see here Windows was successfully update your driver. Now close this window. Okay, your network adapter will update it here. After that guys, if your problem is not fixed, right click again and click here uninstall device. Okay, and after that restart your PC. Now close this window. And if your problem is not fixed guys, we are going for next method. Click here start button and click here settings option. Click here network and internet option. Okay, click here Ethernet. If there are private network, select here public network. Okay, now there are settings should be same, no change here. Now close this window. So guys, we are going for next method now. Click here start button and click here system. Now click here network and internet option again and select here VPN. Make sure there are no VPN added. Okay, click here and check no VPN added here. Okay, and after that guys, click here back button. Now we are going for proxy under airplane mode. Click here proxy and check there are no proxy. Okay, should be here off. This proxy should be off. Now click here back button again. Okay, and after that guys, click here advanced network settings. Click on it. Now Ethernet, scroll down, network reset option. Click here network reset option and click here reset now and reset your network adapter. After that guys, your window will restart automatically after 5 minutes. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Now click here date and time, right click on it and click here adjust date and time. So guys, set here your date or time properly according your country. Okay, like a time zone, date and time proper should be here. Okay, close this window. Now guys, launch any browser and type here your laptop name like Dell, HP and click here download, enter press and after that click here first link. So guys, type here your model number, laptop model number, otherwise product ID and tag, service tag. So guys, if there are no detect your model number, we check manually. Okay, click here run, start button and click here run and type here msconfig, msinfo 32 and click here OK button. So guys, you can see here on the under system information, system module displayed here. Type here your module number here. Okay, this is your module number. This is your laptop model number. Type here under this box. You can see here. This is your laptop model number. Now click here download and install. If this not detect automatically, okay, check for Dell. Click here download and install this driver. Okay. Now after installed it will automatically detect here. Now enter your model number here. So guys, you can see here your laptop driver will displayed here. All your laptop driver will displayed here. So guys, find here your network adapter. Click on it, this checkbox. You can see here after check this checkbox, this download select option is displayed here. Click on it and it will automatically download. You can see here under download folder your driver setup is displayed here. Right click on it and click here run as administrator and click here continue. Install this driver on your PC or laptop. After that guys, after install this driver, your window will restart and if it not restart, please restart your laptop manually. Okay, and after that check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.